Leave your shirt on the floor. There's no reason to get up. There's a print on your cheek from my wrinkly pillow. There's a smell from the view while we went out. Your lipstick's a glint from your toothpaste. Spend time cutting marks on your fingers.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video I'm going to use the Sweet Peach palette by Toofaced, which is highly requested. But like always, I'm first going to prime my eyelids, and I like to use the MAC Soft Ocher Paint Pot. I will put all the names of the products I'm using in this video in the description bar. So in case you're curious or like want to purchase any of these products, I will just list all the names down so it's really easy for you guys to see what I used. Once I'm done with applying the primer, I'm going to set it with a little bit of translucent powder. And then the first shade I'm going in with is called Georgia. And this is a very light, almost like a skin color, but with a sort of pinky undertone. And I'm just going to blend it all over in my crease. The brush that I'm using is a Morphe M504, which is a very fluffy blending brush, which is perfect for like using for your transition shade, since it's so big. Now I switch my brush into a tiny makeup geek brush and just going around the edges. Then I'm going to build it up by making it a bit darker using this shade, and I'm going to press this first in my outer V. The blending brush that I'm using right now is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is a bit more preciser than the Morphe one. And I'm just going to press it, and then once I have like most product to be in my outer V area, I'm going to blend it more in my crease and also around the outer V area. Then I'm going to use the shade Summer Jam, which is a warm brown shade. And I'm going to press this like I did with the other shade as well. And then I'm going to blend it a bit more towards my crease. Now around the edges, I'm going back in with the caramelized, I can't pronounce this. I'm going around the edges to make sure that there are no harsh lines. And then I'm going to use the shade Talk Derby to Me. And I'm going to press it in my outer V as well. I just feel like every time I do a neutral look, I always tend to go in with brown shades. And this shade is purple, and I just felt like applying this in my outer V will just give it a different twist. And this way, this eye look will not turn out the way as my other videos. I hope that makes sense. Then I'm going back in with this shade, which I cannot pronounce. And I'm blending this again around the edges. Then on the beginning part of my eyelid, I'm going to use the shade Just Peachy. This is the shade that kind of caught my eyes at the first when I ever saw this palette. I was like, damn, that peachy shade, I need to use it one time. It's so pretty, and yeah, it's really gorgeous. It's just a peachy shade with a sort of gold reflect. Then next to that, I'm going to use this shade, and I'm pressing this on the eyelid using a MAC 242 brush, my favorite brush for applying shades on the eyelid. Then for below my lash line, I'm going to use the shade Summer Jam again, and I'm using a tiny Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just going to blend this back and forth below my lower lash line. And I just want this look to be a little bit more smoky, so I'm not trying to get it like as tight as possible towards my lower lash line, just blending it kind of roughly. Then I did the same with this purple shade, but mainly focusing like in my outer V area, to kind of connect it with the shades on the eyelids. Then for my eyeliner, I'm going to use the Inglot gel eyeliner, which is one of my favorite eyeliners. And I'm just going to apply a line above my lash line. I didn't want it to do like a winged liner look with this eye look, because I feel like a lot of people with hooded eyes can't do that because it doesn't look really nice. So I felt like only applying liner above my lash line will make this more wearable for everyone. Then I'm going to apply this nude pencil from theBalm Cosmetics in my waterline. And I do have to say, like, if you want to wear a winged liner with this look, of course you can do that. Just give your own twist to this eye look if you want to recreate this eye look. And this is a really nice eye pencil. I really like the new theBalm Mr. Right pencils. Now for my mascara, I used the Benefit Cosmetics Bad Gal Bang Mascara, my favorite mascara for the lower lash line. You can see it just really separates the lashes and it makes them really long, which I really like. But for my upper lashes, I am going to apply lashes because my own natural lashes are so short. So I feel like wearing fake eyelashes just makes the whole eye look complete. So I'm going to apply them. The lash glue that I use is by House of Lashes, and I'm using a tweezer just to press this against my lash line. And then here you have the end result. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I was thinking about doing a drugstore or just affordable makeup look for my next video and try to do something more simple and easy as well. Let me know in the comments if you want to see that video, and I just really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!
in ways that